Okay, so I've gone ahead and unpacked the size 20 needles. That's the one that I'm gonna use, and I've taken one out, and I'm gonna use my needle mender to make sure I don't lose it. So, just testing it out. It works. All right, so when you wanna thread your needle, you can obviously do it just the old school style, lick the pieces of the ends of your fabric and just thread it through, or you can use one of these needle threaders. So I'll go ahead and use this one to start. Basically, the way it works is you're going to stick this part through the eye of the needle. All right, hopefully you can see. And then you'll put one end of the thread through this hole and, oops, like this. Make sure it stays in there. And then you're just gonna pull it through and your needle is threaded. Alternatively, the other fancy one has, these other ends. So instead of using this piece, you can use this piece. It's, the same concept. You stick it through the eye of the needle and you're gonna stick the thread through this piece and just pull it through. And super simple, super easy. So once you do that, you'll be ready to go. It's time to start Tatreez.